Apat, ano kasi, dalawa kasi gulang eh, sa parehang team, D tsaka E. Oh, magkaiba. Magkaiwalay. Pero ano kayo, hindi kayo maging... Thank you, Pres. Maraming salamat po. Ito na sa sige, lagay mo ang ano ang jersey? Ano jersey number mo, bro? 33? 32? Warren, number 32. Dun sa ano na lang siya sa kanina. Number 32. Tapos yung kala si ano na lang si Give. Ano na po yung Give? Sa 26. Give. G-A-V-E. Number 26. Yo, mga bro, start na. Ito Team C versus Team D. Sabi ko, Marks, number 9. Warren, number 23. Rich Paul, number 2. Legaspi, number 5. Daniel, number 16. Dahil siya kapalitan niya, sino? Sos? Number 0, sa Team D, Lex Olive, number 14. Nepomuceno, number 4. Adrian Gonzalez, number 11. Angeles, number 20. Warren, number 33. Pwede na, start na. 32. Tapos saan ito sila 5? Yun lang saan, walang paso, tumbler. Wala pa bili ako. Yeah. Start na. Saan labi tayo dito sa para wala kayo? Bang ano kayo, third game kayo sa third game? Third game. Pangalawa. Next kayo dyan. Dapat saan? Start na. Start na yun Jose, take it to him. Wala. Ibabay. Olive, number 14. Pass to Jerusalem. To Olive, lumipad. 2 points. Number 14. Olive, number 14. 2-0. 9 minutes and 14 seconds. Steal by Jerusalem. Steal by number 16. 9 minutes and 13. 16 lumipad. Wala. 10 seconds to shoot. To number 2. To number 23. Escobar. Wala. 4 seconds to shoot. 2 seconds. 1. Good. Turnover. Bola na. Team D. Score 2-0. 9 minutes and 6 seconds. Exactly. Take it to Warren. Out of bounds. Bola na. Team D pa rin. Ay, Team E. Ano yan? Team D no? Saan? Team D. Oh, saan? Pwede. Wait lang ba? Mabili tayo ng ano. Sa ilalim. Take it to. Wala. Riba pa yung Warren. Warren. To number 2. Number 2. Pass to number 9. Mark. Take it 3. Mark Sanchez. 3-2. In favor of 9. Mark. 3-2. Gonzalez. Pass to Warren. Number 32. To Joe. Take it 3. Wala. Riba pa yung Olive sa ilalim. 2 points. Number 14. Olive. James Pinto. 4-3. In favor of Team D. March. Take it 3 again. Wala. Rebound by number 4. Nepomuceno. To Joe. 7 minutes and 56 seconds. Gonzalez. Number 11. Pass to Olive. Olive. Lumipad. Wala. Rebound by Warren. number 2. 19 seconds to shoot. Warren, pass to Warren, Escobar, take it 2. Wala, Escobar pa rin. Escobar pa rin, wala ka rin. Rebound number 4. Nepomuceno. 7 minutes and 26 seconds. Gonzalez, to Jolabet, take it 3. Wala pa rin, rebound ni Warren. Warren, nagmamadali, pass to number 5. Pass to Marks, take it 2. Wala, rebound 5. Wala na. Team C, 11 seconds to shoot. 11 seconds, 10 seconds to shoot. 7 seconds. Wow, 3 seconds to shoot. 6 minutes and 56 seconds. 4-3, favor of Team T pa rin. 2 seconds. Stay 2, wala. Rebound by Warren. To number 16, wala pa rin. Rebound ni Joe. Joe, 6 minutes and 43 seconds. Joe, pass to Gonzalez, number 93, wala. Rebound by number 2. To March, number 9, take it 2. Wala pa rin, rebound by Gonzalez. 4-3 pa rin. 6 mission 20. Nepomuceno. To Gonzalez, number 11. Nakita si Joe sa ilalim. 2 points. Joe Angeles. 6-3 in favor of Team D. To number 5. Number 5, pass to Warren Escobar sa ilalim. 2 points. Warren Escobar, number 23. 6-5 in favor of Team D. 5 minutes and 49, 18 seconds to shoot. Gonzalez, number 11. Gonzalez, 13 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds, foul. 7 seconds to shoot. 7 seconds. 7 seconds. 7 seconds. Pwede pumusay na wala. Rebound by number 5. 5. Pass to wala. Rebound by Escobar. Wow. 10 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds. Oh, Warren Escobar. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 16. Number 5 sa ilalim. 2 points. By number 5. Change favor. 7-6. Last possession. For change. Pag na-shoot for turnover, foul. Change na yan. All in. Out of bounds. Change court. Change court na po yan. Sa kabila na po. Lipat na po kayo. Change court na yan. Change court na. Lipat na. Dito na. Score 7-6 in favor of Team C. Team C na lamang. Team ng Abels. De La Mark. 7-6. 7-6. Saan ba? Ay, labas ako. 4 minutes and 48. Oli. Usa. Oli. Steal by Marks. To Escobar. Out of bounds. Mapakalas na tira. Bola na. Team D. 7-6 pa rin. In favor of Team D pa rin. Labas sa buyan. Labas na. Labas sa buyan. Lasol. 4 minutes and 20. Gonzalez. Number 11. Steal by number 2. Number 2 lumipad. 2 points. 9-6 in favor of Team C. Oli. Pass to Joe. 10 seconds to shoot. Take it 3. Joe Angeles. Deadlock. All night. 3 minutes and 52 seconds. Number 2. Pass to Marks. Take it 3 again. Wala. Number Gonzalez. Warren, nahuli na si Joe. wala. Rebound by Joe pa rin. Nakakuha ni Warren. Take it to Warren. Wala. Bola na. Low. 9-6. Ay, deadlock, all 9. 3 minutes and 16. Number 5. Pass to Warren Escobar. To number 2. Pass to number 5. Block by Board. Nakakuha ni Olid pero foul. 3 minutes and 3 seconds. Deadlock, all 9. To Escobar, sa gitna, 2 points, change favor, 11-9, in favor of Team C. Low, yun. Ito wala, rebound by Escobar. 2 minutes and 42 seconds. Escobar, lumibag sana, pero nakuha pa rin niya. 2 points by Escobar. 13-9. In favor of Team C, Nepomuceno, pass to Warren, to Olid, 18 seconds, pass to Nepomuceno, take it 3, Nepomuceno, number 4, 13-11, ay, 13-12, number 4, Nepomuceno, 18, si Olid, number 14. So number 5, 13 seconds to shoot. Marks, taking 3. Wala. Rebound by number 0. Wala. Rebound by Escobar. 4 seconds to shoot. 2 points. Escobar. 15-12. 1 minute. Warren Escobar. 1 minute and 43 seconds. Tatlo lang ang lamang. 15 seconds to shoot. Olid, spin move. Drop pass. Pero turnover. Wala na. Team C. 1 minute and 30 seconds. 15-12. Tatlo lang. 15-12. 15-12. To number 2. Pass to number 9. 9 taking 3. Wala. Rebound by Olid. 1 minute and 10 seconds. Olid. Lumipad. 2 points. Number 14. Olid. 15-14. Isa na lang ang kalamangan ng Team C. Nakakuha ni number 0 sa ilalim. 8 seconds to shoot. 7 seconds to shoot. 4 seconds. Wala, rebound by number 4. Nepomuceno to Joe. Joe, take it 3. Wala, rebound by number 0. 41 seconds. 15-14. 20 seconds to shoot. Warren. Wala, Warren pa rin. Pass to number 5. 2 points. Number 5. 17-14. 28 seconds to shoot. 22 seconds shot clock. 17-14. Tatlo lang ang kalamangan. Joe sa ilalim. Foul. 13 seconds to shoot. 15 seconds shot clock. Take 3, wala. Rebound by Marks. Shot clock off. 10 seconds. 9 seconds. 7 seconds. 6, 2 balls. 4, 2, 1. And of the bogey. Score. 18-14. Apat lang ang lamang. Team C.
Tawag na ba ako?
Di ba?